Hello everyone, I'm Bob Bruce of Integrity Wealth Consulting with our June 2016 Educational Economic Update. In this month's video, we'll talk about some of the economic events that have influenced the markets in May and give you some insight into what they can mean for you as an investor. Of course, please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. The Federal Reserve Board was at the top of Wall Street's mind again in May. Though the central bank voted to hold rates steady in April, the official minutes from the meeting showed the Fed is much closer to raising rates than most experts have predicted. The report showed that the Fed is moving away from its cautious stance and is open to raising rates as soon as June or July if economic data shows healthy growth. The change in the Fed's official stance surprised many experts who weren't expecting an interest rate hike until fall or winter 2016. Remarks by Fed Chair Janet Yellen endorsed the views expressed in the official minutes. Yellen supports a rate hike within the next few months as long as economic growth picks up and the economy continues to produce jobs. Though Yellen thinks the labor market has come a long way, her concern over sagging wage growth and low productivity indicate the Fed economists are watching more than just the headline unemployment number. A revised estimate of the first quarter economic growth might give the Fed the ammunition it needs to raise rates this summer. The May estimate of GDP growth shows that the economy grew at 0.8% last quarter, up from the last estimate showing 0.5% growth. Though the pace of growth was significantly slower than at the end of 2015, the new data shows spending on business inventories and home building surged, boosting growth. The current unofficial estimate of second quarter growth stands at 2.9%, indicating the economy picked up speed in the spring. Will the uptick in economic growth guarantee a summer rate hike by the Fed? That's a big question. Opinions are mixed. Some experts think that the economy looks healthy enough for a rate increase. Others think global headwinds such as a strong dollar, Britain's vote on possibly leaving the EU, and China will be enough to give the Fed pause for concern. We'll know more after the mid-June Federal Open Market Committee meeting. As always, we'll keep you informed as to what's happening. That's it for now for our June Economic Update. If you have any questions or concerns about what we have discussed, please give us a call at 724-940-9060. I'm Bob Bruce with Integrity Wealth Consulting. Now, please remember, nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 724-940-9060. We'd be happy to talk to you.